Hey, Miss Kitaya, you should know you want me lady, my baby. Miss Kitaya.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. So this video is actually a collaboration with the lovely BeckiBecki here on YouTube. Her channel name is BeckiBecki. I will link it right here as well as in the description bar. So if you miss it here, you can check it out in the description, alright? So she contacted me about a collab and I was like, yes. So this is a day and night makeup collaboration look, and mine is the night look. I thought this makeup look would be perfect for a club scene. It's just a purple smoky eye. I have some gold on top of the purple. On my lips I'm wearing Jordana's Pretty Pink, and I'm wearing this lip gloss that I got from Arista Cosmetics. It's a Arista Cosmetic lip gloss that I got from, and I just kind of blended in my lip color so that it looks nice and natural, so that the focus will be on the eyes, of course. And on my cheeks I'm wearing Jordana's Hot Raspberry. Okay, so for lashes I'm just wearing these customized lashes, and I customized them myself. Don't pay attention to the one here, it just feels fucking retarded. But yeah, I just bought these lashes and I just doubled them, so that's what I'm wearing. Yeah, if you're wondering, I'm still wearing mechanical and crochet braids. They still look pretty good, but I'm about to take them out soon. I wanted to do a hair tutorial on this look, but of course that's not the tutorial. Don't forget to head on over to Becky's channel. Subscribe to me if you're not already subscribed. Like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter, all at Naturally Miss Toy. The links will be in the description bar below, and all the products that I use will be in the description bar as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Hey, Miss Kitaya, you should know you want me lady, my baby. Miss Kitaya, me want you kick it off, nobody start slow. Me want you take your time, bend down and touch your toe. And if you never know, when you a bubble so, you make me happy. That's so ego. Now everybody see, me have the energy. Can manage kitty, so kitty, why don't you marry me? Not you me maga, I look so bony. Miss Kitty, you feel like you can't overshow me. No, listen to me good, just like a wife should. Listen to husband when him tell her see down good. And listen this apart, because me just a start. The first hug me up your kitty, you say yes so nice. Me now go broke your heart, because we just a start. Me and you forever kitty, we woulda never part. I'm ya go tell you this, you're not go ever find a gentleman like me. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with a frisky waistline. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with just up to the time. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with no fi blow for your mind. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman like me. Hey, me say like coffee light, because the moon bright. Me and you in a tonight, kitty, we a go play a fight. Me know you nah bite, cause that no feel right. Hold on, they touch me, they say yes, kitty, you touch it right. Me know say me no strong, but me can last long. And if you put me up to it, me running marathon. You better hold strong, balance no broke your hand. Cause if you drop me, I go here, poof, the plane land. Kitty, you start sweat, I me no start yet. Me see you a blow hard, me see you start fret. Movie carpet, make me plant it. Put it a ground because it look like he flew it. Come at the yamis, you a go talk yes. And when me done kitty please, me I beg you text it. Me know say you no vex, cause I'm me a the best. That's why you woulda never find like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with a frisky waistline. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with just up to the time. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with no fi blow for your mind. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman like me. Hey. Never find. Hey. Hey. Never find. Hey. Hey, Miss Kitaya, you should know you want me lady, my baby. Miss Kitaya, me want you kick it off, nobody start slow. Me want you take your time, bend down and touch your toe. And if you never know, when you a bubble so, you make me happy. That's so ego. Now everybody see, me have the marry me. Not you me maga, I look so bony. Miss Kitty, you feel like you can't overshow me. No listen to me good, just like a wife should. Listen to husband when him tell her see done good. And listen this apart, because me just a start. The first hug me up your kitty, you say yes so nice. Me nah go broke your heart, because we just a start. Me and you forever kitty, we woulda never part. I'm ya go tell you this, you nah go ever find a gentleman like me. Like me, you woulda never find a gentleman with a frisky waistline.